Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from Simmonsessentials. I want to bring you another original design. This is the Memorial Wreath in honor of 9/11. Let's go ahead and get started. This is my left side. It's at the belt line. I'm going to come over and put it at the belt line there. I'm going to tie this with the skinny end. I'm just going to put in a fold or a dimple. We're going to bring this over to the center. We're going to come up and over like this. So we have this. Start with the wreath. We're going to go around like so, braid it, and then we're going to come around. And I want to leave it kind of looped. Do a wreath over here, and I kind of want to leave it looped out like this, to where you can see it. I'm going to push that through. So there's that. I want to retighten that if it's not as tight. Then we're going to do another wreath. Come over the top like this. And again, I want to kind of leave a loop over there to where it's pretty loose, where you can see the details. And then I'm going to do another wreath. And I'm going to come across, and then I'm going to go through here. And then I'm going to come back up over the top like that. So they're going to be, I'm going to put my collar down. And you just kind of leave it open like that, an open concept for that right there. So there you have the Memorial Wreath. Never forget, on your side, my friends, you're fearfully and wonderfully made. We'll catch you in the next video.